Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm LacQuora. This morning I moved my entire room around and set up a new background, and then I sat down in front of the camera and I started the camera, or so I thought I started the camera. Apparently I didn't have enough coffee this morning because I thought I started the camera, filmed this entire makeup look for you guys, and then realized I never hit the record button. But that's okay. I needed to film something today in front of my new background because I'm just so excited about it. So we got a little unboxing. I was curious about the Target and the Walmart beauty boxes, so I already did the Target one. I posted it on my channel a little while ago. You can go watch that if you want to. I'll link it in the eye and down below. So today we have the Walmart beauty box, and this beauty box is actually free. You only pay $5 in shipping. Ooh. Okay, so the box looks like this. We got some good, I see a full-size makeup product in here from NYX. I'm gonna save it for last though. So the first thing I see is the charcoal infused, while I can talk, the Soft Hello charcoal infused tapered bristles naturally friendly BPA free toothbrush. It's a black toothbrush and the bristles look like that. I kind of need a new toothbrush. And there's toothpaste in here too. There's also the Hello hemp seed oil and coconut oil natural fresh spearmint. Ooh, I love spearmint. Extra freshening fluoride free toothpaste. I bet I'm gonna love this because I love spearmint. So I'm excited about that. I can't get this open. There we go. So this does feel really soft and like uneven, like it almost feels like a stippling brush for like your makeup, like the way they're not all the same length, if that makes sense. So that's exciting. These two go together. I like that they go together and that they gave us a toothbrush and toothpaste. The next thing I see in here is the Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray Ultra Clear Black and White 48 hours antiperspirant. So this is a deodorant, and I love Degree. Like, ooh, that smells good. This smells like something. This smells like something that I know. It smells like my aunt's house when I was a kid. In my childhood, this smells like my aunt's house from my childhood. It must smell like her perfume or something. This literally smells exactly like my Aunt Heather's house. Auntie Heather, if you're watching this, this smells exactly like your house. Like, this has to be something. There has to be something in this, Auntie, that that you use. Or it has to smell like something that you use. Do you use this, Auntie Heather? Is this the thing that you use every morning? Is this why you smell so good? I don't know, but it smells delicious. The next thing in here is Use Daily Dixon's Enhanced Witch Hazel Hydrating Toner, alcohol free with rose water. Ugh, I hope it doesn't smell like rose. Hi, Scarlett. What's up, sweet pea? This smells like witch hazel and rose water, and it's absolutely disgusting. I won't be using this because I despise the scent of rose. Like, I hate it. This says you can use daily after cleansing or before applying moisturizer and makeup. Moisten a cotton ball or pad, apply to face and neck for best results. Use in morning and night. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E and gently nourishes and hydrates the skin. Unfortunately, this sounds exactly like something I would like, but the smell of rose, I can't. This is so strong, I can't. Okay, so this is a little foil packet, and it is a magnesium supplement, and I take magnesium supplements, so I might like this. I take magnesium supplements because it helps with your GI tract, and it also helps with pain, actually. So I haven't been taking mine recently, and I noticed a spike in my pain level, so I might give this a try. So this is the Calm Magnesium Supplement. It's a raspberry lemon flavored. It looks like it's one serving. You just put it in a bottle of water, and it's probably it. And then the last but not least, we have a blue lip oil from NYX. I'm happy that we got a full-size makeup product in here, though. Like in our Tarte box, we didn't get any makeup, like at all. Like nothing. No makeup products. I mean, we got tanner, but okay. Ooh. Oh. So it's literally just clear. It looks like it's gonna be all purple and like shimmery and iridescent. It's not. It's just a clear lip oil. It smells really good though. It doesn't taste good. Don't try that. I have a matte liquid lip on right now from Maybelline, but let's try it. There is like a slight tint of blue, or like a hue of blueness, but not anything that's going to change the color of your lipstick that you're putting on like this on top of, or not like you're going to see if you're not putting a color underneath. If you're using this alone, I wouldn't worry about the color that's in it, if that makes sense. It literally says it's sheer sky blue, so like it tells you it's sheer. And then the other things in this box, it looks like we have just a little informational pamphlet thing about the toner and a little informational thing about the drink. And it says that the drink comes in gummies also. See, I would have much rather get in the gummies. So that was what we got in our little beauty box. I'd say that this is actually a way better deal than the Target one, to be honest with you. The Target one was like $7, and I got it on sale. And we really didn't get anything in it that was worth $7, except for maybe a deodorant, which we got a deodorant in this one also, but we also got a full-size toothbrush, a good size, deluxe size toothpaste, a full-size makeup product, and a deluxe little travel size of a rose water. So I feel like the Walmart beauty box is the way to go for the two of them. It's a free box. It's a free box. You pay $5 for shipping and handling. The box itself is free. The box itself is free. Can we just say that one more time? The box is free. You only have to pay for the shipping. So it's a $5. And I don't think it comes monthly. I think it's a quarterly thing. But still, like $5 quarterly, you don't even know it's coming out of your account. And you get to try deluxe size samples. Why not, right? So, yeah. That's all for this one, guys. I hope you liked this little short unboxing. I honestly just wanted to test out my background. If you want to see a recreation of the makeup look that I'm wearing right now, I'd love to film that for you and actually hit the record button this time. So yeah, give it a big thumbs up if you liked this unboxing, and subscribe if you haven't already. Join our little community that we have going. We would love to have you. If you don't subscribe, you won't necessarily know when I post videos, and you won't be able to come and hang out, and I might be a little bit sad. Not gonna lie, because I like hanging out. So, hit the button. Hit the subscribe button. I make it super easy for you. And come hang out again. So yeah. Bye, guys.